Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you need to remove and reinstall your BirdReel BF11 camera, it's important to handle the camera carefully to avoid damaging the mounting bracket or interrupting the connection. Whether you're cleaning the feeder, relocating it, charging the battery, or performing maintenance, removing the camera the right way makes reinstallation much easier. Taking a few extra moments to secure everything properly also helps maintain a stable fit and keeps the camera aligned for the best viewing angle. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of removing and installing your BirdReel BF11 camera correctly. Number 1. Release the camera from the mounting bracket using the latch or lock. 2. Lift the camera out carefully without pulling on any cables. Number 3. Clean the mounting slot and camera contacts if needed. 4. Slide the camera back into the bracket until it sits flush. 5. Lock the camera in place and confirm it is firmly secured.